guys, welcome back over to my channel. Okay, we're gonna be vlogging today. I'm gonna bring you guys to spend the day with me. It's gonna be hopefully a productive day. If you watched my last video, you guys know I did mention that I'm gonna start going back to the gym, changing some new habits and setting some new goals for myself. I'm gonna start doing that. Today's actually my first day back to the gym. It's my off day, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me so we can get some things done and just have a great day together. I actually also went to Zara, you guys. The sale was mad, okay? It was mad. It was too many people there. I actually was like, I'm gonna wear a mask because this doesn't feel normal. So I'm actually gonna give you guys a Zara haul once I leave the gym. I also brought some clothes to actually take through dry cleaners before I go to work. I like to dry clean my work clothes. I don't know why. Is that just me or is that everybody? So let's go to the gym first. I do have to go to the grocery store. When I come back from the gym, we are going to get onto some Zara hauls so I can show you guys what I got from the sale. And then you're gonna spend the rest of the day with me. I feel like this is like a little different versus like splitting the videos, so you guys can like kind of enjoy the whole entire thing and spend some more time with me. And give this video a thumbs up if you like this sort of video where I kind of like mix like two different things together, which is like a Zara haul and also like vlogging the day and spending the day with me, because I feel like it's been a while since we actually spent the day together. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So stick around and don't go anywhere, and we're gonna have a great day together. And for right now, let's get to driving to the gym. I love y'all. I just finished the gym. I spent an hour there. It was not bad for my first day going back. I haven't been to the gym in like 2 months, you guys, and that is kind of scary, but it's all good. Anyways, I decided that I'm actually gonna stop by HEB and pick up things to make lunch before I get to the house, because when I get home I don't want to leave again until later on. So, and I have to drop my dry cleaning still, so let's go to HEB. If you live in Texas or you live in Houston, you guys know HEB is the best grocery store ever, and I don't care what nobody says. If you don't have an HEB in your area, what are you even doing? How do you even shop? Because that's ghetto, okay? So I'm gonna go to HEB right now, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I actually don't need much. I already have some steak. I think I'm gonna make some steak for lunch. I just want to get some, I don't know, some vegetables, and then that's it. So my boyfriend got me these AirPods for Christmas, but the thingy, whatever gets into your eyes, is way too big, okay? When I put it in my ears, it kind of falls off, so I'm probably gonna have to like take it and exchange it. Or I'm gonna have to like tell him to like take it and exchange it, because that's kind of annoying. You guys, my car is so dirty, it's ridiculous. Like, but anyways, let me just stop ranting and talking so we can get on and going. I saw this on TikTok that it helps with stretch marks. I don't even have that much stretch marks other than my butt, but I just want to try it. TikTok is like the devil. It just makes you want to try everything. Or is it just me? Or am I just gullible? Let me show you guys something that I actually normally use that is amazing, that you can get from the grocery store. This product right here, you guys, is everything. And this is actually the one that I use, which is $3.55. This is so good, and it's, oh, the price went up just like everything else. Now it's actually $6.94, but this is so good. I'm actually gonna pick up one more because I go through this like nothing. Let me know in the comment section if you've actually tried this before, because I am obsessed, literally obsessed. It's so good. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from HEB. I needed trash bags because I'm out of trash bags. And I also got some rosemary and thyme because I'm about to make some steak for lunch. Okay. And I think I forgot something in the car. Oh, did I left it at the store? Hold on. You guys hold on 1 second. You guys, I'm so upset. The lotion I bought, I actually forgot it at the store. The guy didn't give it to me. Or that's crazy. But I'll have to go back there. Hopefully there's not gonna be a problem. Luckily I vlogged it, okay? So if they try to pull up anything on me, I'm gonna be like, receipts right here, because I threw in my receipt. But I also got this powder. I showed you guys this powder in the store. It's freaking amazing. It's so smooth under my eyes. I love it, and it's so affordable. So I'm about to make some smoothies with some mixed berries, bananas, and strawberries. And that's, which is like mango and kiwi and pineapples, I believe. Yeah. Perfect. I added a little bit of honey also, so, but no sugar because I'm trying to cut down on the sugar a little bit, you know. It's actually really good. I like kiddos. I'm gonna go take a shower and then we'll get back this day going. It feels good to be fresh. All right, guys, so I'm about to season my meat real quick so that way we can come and do this mini haul. I just finished taking a shower. Oh shit. Oh no. Now I really have to go back to the store. I got some filet mignon like 4 days ago and it went bad. That's disgusting. And you know that shit is so expensive. How much was it? It was like $39.99. It was like $40. Oh my god. All my meat went bad, you guys. I am so sad. Look at this one too. I should have really froze it. I literally wasted money. This one was 21, so I literally wasted like 60 bucks. I'm so mad. Like literally, I wasted $100 on meat that went bad. They were supposed to be an ice in Texas. I don't know if you guys seen that. Actually, my pipes outside busted, but that's another story for another day because I can't. Me can't come and kill myself. Me can't stress myself. So I bought all that stuff to cook in case we were stuck inside with the ice, because you know that has happened to us before. And then I didn't end up cooking that. I ended up cooking something else, and then I was like, I want to cook it today. Open the package, rotten. Okay, bad. So anyways, I just ran back to the store and I got some more steak. So I got a ribeye, a T-bone, and a filet mignon, and this is what I'm making. While this marinates, let's go ahead and get a Zara haul going because I know y'all want to see what I got. Come with me inside. I need some lip balm, you guys, because my lips feel crusty. Why is my hair doing that? Okay. Okay, guys, so I went crazy, okay? Is my light too bright? Let me put it down a little bit. Is that better? Can y'all see me? Okay. Anyways, I went to Zara and I picked up lots of stuff, okay? I have like 2 bags. Okay, I should have just done a Zara haul, but I can't be bothered, okay? So, anyways, I picked up this blazer, which is super cute, okay? And I got this in a size medium and it was $79. It was originally $119 and then I got it for $79, which wasn't bad. It was a very nice structured blazer. It fits me perfectly. I normally like to go a size up in Zara because, you know, I am dedicated to lose weight, so it's gonna be fun. It's not tight actually. Hold on, let me just put it on to this. You see, I like this part to be a little bit more big and loose, but it's quite nice. It fits very well. So you see, very ladylike. I also picked up this jacket, which is like a biker jacket type of deal. Let me put the light down so you guys can see. So it's this jacket, which is so cute. Okay, and it has these little details on the shoulders, and it has like that zipper. Very nice. I got it in a size extra large, so it's like a little big, but it's fine because normally I'll probably like layer to wear this, and this was $89 and I got it for $59. Me like it. Super cute. Super cute. The reason why I did not feel like doing a whole haul for you guys is because I feel like it's kind of pointless. So I mean, you can enjoy 2 videos in one. You're welcome. I also picked up this jacket, which is so cute. Okay, this one was actually, the price came off, but it was on sale. It was like one something. It was originally like $200 and something, but I paid like one something for it. I can't remember the price exactly because it came off, but this is what it looks like. It's so cute, and it doesn't have a belt, but I wish it had a belt. But I got it in a size extra large because like this one is like an oversized coat. Okay, that, you know, and the sleeves are long. When I get an extra large, like I could tell the sleeves were long. It's very oversized, so I don't even know if it's too much or if it's good, but I like it because I saw it in the store and it was given. Yes. Let me tell y'all something. Haul videos are no joke, okay? They're not made for the weak. What is this? Oh, I just picked up like a top for work, and this was $49.90 and I got it for $35.99. It's just like a sleeveless kind of top that I could just wear with like a skirt, a pants, and then throw like a blazer on it. Super cute. So this piece I am obsessed with because this is like my style. Okay, I love the button details. It's like a cape type of thing. It's so cute. Okay, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, and I'm gonna be doing like styling videos there, so yeah, I can see what I'm gonna dress like. Okay, but anyways, I got this. Super cute. I love the button details, and this one was actually originally $189 and I got it for $129, and this is in a size medium. I am obsessed with this color, you guys. Okay, I got this in a size medium and it fits perfectly also, and it's a blazer, and this was $149 and I got it for $89. Okay, super cute. I love the color. Obsessed. Okay, a whole vibe. Okay, and it's a long blazer, which is nice. Okay, who am I? I love it. I'm obsessed. Okay, and last but not the least, I actually forgot what this is. Oh yes, this is so cute on you guys. It's like a tiny big, but this is the only one they had. But I can alter it, or I can actually wear it by itself. I wore this and it was so cute. Again, if you want to see the videos of how I style them, make sure you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Okay, Amy Ceesay _ for both Instagram and TikTok. Amy Ceesay _ super easy. Okay, this is like a long dress that I can wear for work. I'm about to actually travel for work for a meeting, and I want to be like slaying like every day when I'm there. So this is like something like, okay, super cute. It's super cute, you guys. Okay, and then the bottom has like this like sheer like plissé material type of thing. I will make sure I kind of leave like photos on the side for you guys so you can see them on. But y'all already know how Zara is with their damn models. This is how they dress. Look, and I'm like, ma'am, what was that? Because I can't tell if that's cute or ugly. Okay, because it ain't working. Okay, that's all I got from Zara sale. Okay, my face looks like it probably is shining. It's not. It's just glowing. You get it. Okay, anyways, that was that. So right now I just need to come here and do some work, and then get back to cooking whilst my thing marinates. And dinner is served. Doesn't this look so good? I just finished eating and taking a shower, and I just rested and cleaned up. That food was it was so good, you guys. Oh my god, it was so good. I probably like one day would actually like share my steak recipe. So good. Okay, I just took a shower and put my skincare on, and as you can tell, my skin is glowing. I literally just put 2 things on my skin. If you watch my skincare video, you guys know that I shared this product, which is the Duo Prestige Cream. Let me put the light down so you guys can actually see it. Okay, like this. Prestige lotion, La Lotion Essence. This got my skin glowing, okay? And also, of course, my thread glowing. If you've not watched my skincare video, go ahead and watch that and basically watch how I got my skin to clear up after I went through a whole breakout. It was ridiculous, okay? It was so scary. But yeah, that's pretty much what I have to do. So I'm gonna start actually editing. So I need to get some work done. It's super late right now. Oh, by the way, actually I forgot to tell you guys that I went to Best Buy and actually changed my AirPods. I'll show you guys what I got. I told him that my AirPods were falling off, so we changed my AirPods. So I got a new one, and this is the one I got, which is the Pro. It was like, I think we paid like $85 more, but it was good, because or else I'm gonna lose this one. Like, I'm gonna lose my AirPods. So you see, it has this like little knobby thing right there. I think it's like the AirPods Pro. I have no idea. I could care less anyways. I just need something to get into my ears, especially when I get in planes. So I got a TV. I got a 70-inch TV. I told you guys I'm gonna be working on my house very soon, so hubby got me a new TV. Okay, it's like a 70-inch TV, super big. As you could tell, my TV over there is a little too tiny. My whole living room, nothing over there belongs there. Don't even do it. Don't even try to judge me, okay? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy spending the day with me, because I enjoy spending a very productive day with you guys. And it's been a while since I vlogged, so I was excited to actually do this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, I love you guys so much for watching. For now, I'm gonna get my ass to work, okay? Get some work done, and until I fall asleep, because that's what I do. But anyways, I'll see you guys next week. I love you all so much for watching, and I can't wait, and I can't talk. I love you all for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. I love y'all.